Good morning, sweet friends. This is Miss Jodi. We just finished reading Bear Snores On, and I thought we could do a little craft to go along with it. So we are going to make a bear. Let me show you what it looks like. We're going to have some really simple circles for ears, a big circle for his face, a circle for the mouth, nose, and 2 sleeping eyes. So what I did is light brown paper or any color you have, go ahead and trace a circle, maybe a cup or a container. I went ahead and traced those. A smaller piece I traced and cut, and then for his big face, a larger bowl I traced and cut. So you can do it on paper, or if you have a small brown paper bag, you can actually make a puppet. So we'll do that, and you'll just get a little bit of glue, get the 3 pieces cut of the smaller circle, 1 tiny circle and big, and we'll go ahead and we'll just glue it on to make our Bear Snores On. You want to make sure that you just get glue on the top part of the bag so the bag can open. Go ahead and cover that. And then you'll probably need to flip it over just a bit to glue on your ears. 1. And 2. Can flip that back over. You want to do his face. Just right in the middle, maybe a little bit towards the bottom. His nose at the top of the middle circle. Right there. And then with the 2 black strips, you'll get a little bit of glue on there. So mom and dad, you may need to do some of the pre-work, but then go ahead and let the kiddos glue it any way they want. It could even just be a shapes collage, but you've got a puppet for the Bear Snores On. So once they've glued all the pieces on, they can even decorate the bag a little, maybe give the bear some fur, anything that might be a little bit fun. Or again, you can just glue it onto a piece of paper. So hope you enjoy and have fun.